Tonight, the Chaldean American Ladies of Charity is proud to debut the first Chaldean Community Cookbook.
The Chaldean American Ladies of Charity came together several years ago to put together a cookbook to document not only our recipes but the history of the community. And they wanted to leave recipes for their children, their grandchildren, because they realized nobody had anything written down.
Every time we go to the house to help her cook, it's, oh, you put a little bit of this, a little bit of that, you know, there's no measurements, none. So how are we going to learn?
Mabasima, which means how good it is. This cookbook is enjoyed not only by the Chaldean community, but anybody that likes Middle Eastern food, because you'll see that a lot of these recipes have a distinct flavor and that are different than other Middle Eastern cultures, and it really is very good and delicious.
Health is a very important issue in our community, and women are big advocates for health care for our families, and so it made complete sense for us to partner with Blue Cross Blue Shield.
I had the role of actually analyzing all the recipes to pick the healthiest recipes in the book. It was a little bit tricky because all of the recipes were really healthy. They use a lot of olive oil, which is a heart-healthy fat source, and a lot of fruits and a lot of vegetables. So a lot of color, which more color means more nutrients, more vitamins and minerals, and a lot of fiber and water through your food, which is going to keep someone healthier.
Our first winner is Lawrence Atu. If you could please come to the Blue Cross Blue Shield table, you've won a free Mabasima cookbook.
Yes, I got Mabasima! I think it's awesome. More than that, I think it's great that they've gone through and itemized some of the recipes. Heart healthy and smart eating. We all need to start worrying about that, and I think that's wonderful that they did that.
People are so proud of the meals and the dishes they've made, and you can tell there's stories behind every one of the tables about the moms that have passed it down to the daughters who are at the table.
This is my second mom, my aunt.
I have 29 grandchildren, 13 grand. I cook for all of them all the time. And they come over at any time. They eat lunch and they leave, and that's all I do is cook.
They pack up big bags of food to put in the freezers.
All the money raised from this event, as well as the cookbook, goes to helping families in need in the Detroit metropolitan area. You can get one of these books by going to www.calconline.org.